In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right DeepSeek AI app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to get this DeepSeek AI chatbot app, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get the right DeepSeek app, you need to go to Google Play Store, and here is my Play Store. So if you tap on it, it will take you to this search page where you can search for any app. So if you can see this search bar, go ahead and tap on this search here, and this will go ahead and open this search bar. From here, go ahead and just search for DeepSeek. You can add app like that, and go ahead and tap on this search icon here. And now here we go. We have this app. If you tap on it, you can see this is the original app, DeepSeek AI Assistant, and this is the logo. It is from this company called DeepSeek. So make sure this is the company and not any other. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.3 with over 206,000 reviews, and the current file size of this app is currently 7.9 MBs with over 50 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know you have the right app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of DeepSeek AI Assistant app on your smartphone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go now to your apps, you can see your DeepSeek app is here. So if I open it, you can see here is the home page. You can go ahead and sign in or continue with even your Google account to get started. So that's how you can install the right DeepSeek app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.